In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and edit a form in your .odb database and add a list box to it. Let's start by opening your .odb database. Once you have it open, you'll notice a variety of options on the left panel. Here, you want to click on Forms. This section holds the different forms you might have set up in your database, which is essential for interacting with your data in a structured way. Now, here's an important step. Instead of simply double-clicking your form, which would only open it for data entry, you'll want to right-click on your form and select Edit. This will switch the form into design mode. In this mode, you'll see rulers and grid lines, and you'll be able to move and resize controls at will. It's specifically designed to help you modify the form layout and add new functionalities. Let's move on to adding a list box. While still in Edit or Design mode, navigate to the menu and click on View. Then go to Toolbars and select Form Controls. This action will display a toolbox filled with different buttons. Look for the button labeled with the list box icon and click it. With that button activated, click and drag on the form to place your list box wherever you see fit. With your new list box in place, you'll need to right-click it and choose Control. Let's go through each of the tabs you see, starting with the General tab. This section primarily deals with the appearance and behavior of your list box. Some crucial settings here include the name, which serves as the internal reference for the control and plays a vital role if you're using macros. The drop-down setting is equally important, as this determines if the list box will act like a drop-down menu. Additionally, you can adjust the visible size to decide how many items are visible at any one time. The List Entries section is where you can type in static choices if you opt for the value list type, and the default selection determines the pre-selected value when the form initially opens. Various style options, such as font, background color, and border, allow you to customize the appearance to meet your needs. Next, the Data tab is where you define how and where the list box retrieves or stores its data. In this tab, the Data field is one of the most essential settings, as it determines which column from your table the control links to, such as course, for example. The Type of List Contents option lets you decide the source of your options: value list for manual entries, table for values from another table, or SQL for values retrieved through a specific SQL query. The Bound field helps Base recognize which column to save, typically the ID field, when using linked tables. Utilize this tab to effectively bind your list box to your database. Lastly, there's the Events tab, which is destined for automation and macro integration. Each event you see, like when gaining focus, when losing focus, or changed, can trigger a macro. For instance, you might program a macro to display a message whenever the user changes the selection in the list box. However, if you're new to macros, you can safely skip this tab for now. And there you have it, a seamless way to edit your forms and enhance them with list boxes, all while harnessing the full power of your .odb database. Explore these options to create forms that work exactly how you need them to.